Good day, welcome to Mixused design. Welcome to the project of mixed-use flat development that we are creating. In this particular video, we are going to continue and develop every other area that we know that remain, like the staircase. For this one, the staircase that will lead to the Pent floor, how to create the Pent floor, and roofing system, and so on and so forth, where everything will be accurate, and at the same time we do some little adjustment to what we have done here. So kindly subscribe to the channel if you have never want to subscribe. Just click on subscription. God bless you. So let's continue this. In this project, the first thing I want to do is to create the staircase that will come from ground floor to the first floor, or for the client to occupy the front row of the building. So what we do is that you click on the architecture the same way we did the formal staircase. So we're going to do the same thing here. Click this and let us work on that individually. The boundary will be created. Good. So the same way we did in that one, you can now decide to start drawing this stairs. So now from here I want to take a particular distance, like 700, because it's not going to be like that from our one. But this one is going to be a little bit different. So what we do is that we have it here stipulated. So now you do this by clicking this, you get it, take this inside a little bit, then you mirror it to give you the center point. Good. So now you draw from here to this down, then you draw here to this point, you draw here to this point. So you delete this, it's not needed. So you draw another boundary, which is going to be this one. So what we do now is that you start drawing the riser. So from the riser, or you offset it, or so you know that it's okay, 300 this time. You set it on the 300. Okay, so leave it that manner. You do the same thing, draw the line, close it, close it again, then start offsetting it the same way you do to that side. Good. So leave the way it is. So you can now offset while you are line. So you delete this one. No. Anyway, it's not matter. You are now there to 300. Let everything off. You delete this because it's a counterproduction. So this one has already been created for you in a certain original level. So what you do is that you select something that are not joining forward together. So you draw the paths to which this staircase will flow from ground, starting from the ground floor. You draw here, you draw here, and you draw it to be somewhere here. Okay, that's every day. So here now you just delete this with the boundary is too close, so expose this. So here you delete this boundary. I think this one is not needed anymore. So everything is open. So remain 2 according to what is said. So the remaining 2 that you need to do is to have them somewhere here and somewhere. Sorry, the one boundary you are going to use, you're going to use riser. So somewhere here, and bring it somewhere here, at the same time somewhere there. So I think with that you are okay. Without I will delete it and see that give orientation to what you have done. Is it okay by you? If no okay, click on riser, select and see the boundaries are not changing, so just leave it for that and say finish. See what will happen. Is it okay? I think it's okay, so select that, click finish. Good. So the staircase is being created. Just change it to monolithic and let's just print that. Okay, it's taking a full range of activities. So that is it. Except to cut through section, you know how it land, how it's flow. But now you climb from here, come here, find the step somewhere here. So that's how it goes in this design. Now the next thing to do is to create the first floor and let's go to the top floor, which is a Pent floor. We want to create that aspect. So but before we create that, we need to understand the roofing system first. So how do we know the roofing system? Go to underlay and say level 2. So this one is going to give us an idea of how the roof is going to look, and from there we place our Pent inside it. So now what we do is that you create the roof, go by blueprint, you select this and you start doing this in the right direction. So by 600 if of the roof, continue doing it one after the other. Work on this, you work on this. So you close everything, just a normal rectangular. So what will define this one is different. So you select all and you change it to 45 degrees about the height, because it's going to be a tall, very tall. No, I don't want it to attach to anything. So that is what it is. So you go to elevation and go and see what you've done. Good. So here you edit it and say thickness. I don't want it to be too thick, to be a thick of 50 is okay. Good. So that is how tall the roof is going to be. So the next thing is that you create your Pent for it to have a space to stay. So and the way the Pent will be depends. So you cannot go beyond the boundary of the stair up. So how do you do that? You click on the wall, then you start your drawing on that particular point. So you do that. This is where it stays. You can extend it and you extend it again. Then you bring it here. So it depends on what you are doing. So we do with that. Now you align it. Then align to the grid system of this particular one. Now to set. It's supposed to also go and meet it. Not disrupt the down. The graphics that we have done on the ground floor. So as you do this, you go to your elevation, not. So that is what we are seeing outside here. So if it's okay by you, you leave it. If it's not okay, you go back there and edit it more. So what I've done here is that I need to create a toilet or bath, something that will fall into this category of grid. Good. So do that again. So there will be a staircase that will convey something from down. So what I'm saying is that I want to remove this. I don't want this visitor toilet here. So it's different. So you do that, change this pattern, close this one up. Good. So what I do, click here and say click me paste. Load it back. Click once and say click me paste. So you break this into two in a separate direction so that will serve as a grand for that to enter. And you can adjust this to a space a little bit. Now I want to create a staircase that will configure us to the upper floor. So what we do is that we create the staircase for somewhere here. Go to architecture and say stair. So from there you can do run or anyone. You can make use of L-shaped range or whatsoever that you know that is okay for the whole idea. So you can just let us use this particular one. You want to customize them. So here, and you say rotate. So rotate down, then move this to boundary and move it back. So this one will control some people from down floor to the upper floor. You can edit it. After you click, what happens when you click here, you say convert to sketch space. You can do that by converting to sketch space. Say close. So it now is sketch mode. If you want to edit it, you can edit it as your own size and design. So that is the beauty of it. So edit sketch can be edited. So click and let it load and done. So go to level 3 where the Pent floor stays. So this is what we've done. Borrow this and see what is where it's going to land and how it's going to be. So go to this place and see. So that is the way up. So you're seeing the way down. Look up, flip the direction, there's no flipping here. Something is wrong with this staircase. So something is that what you're going to do, you flip it. Let's flip it. Flip this. So from here, go back and go and see total allocation. So says it started from somewhere supposed to start from. So you can use and flip monolithic as well. And I already like monolithic staircase. And give me the convenience and the kind of all I say. So nice for that. You can go back here instead of people from the middle that are not seeing it all. Go to this and see if you want to see everything. So that's how it is. So you can add like 2 or 3 to this if you are not satisfied. So you can say edit sketch from there and this sketch, click here, double click, then from there you offset and you copy. So copy. So you copy through to it. So what you do now is that you move this line, drag it to the top, and say this one should be in close package reference. So follow the same pattern and see what you have done. It's okay, great, good. So when you go back to this and say go to it already touch where it's supposed to touch. So drag this up. So we are creating what? Pent floor. So the Pent floor now has nothing to do with the roof. Everything has been escaped from that line. So you can select this and drag it up as well. So now you go back to the Pent ground floor. Then here you create your slab, architecture, then you create floor, floor. You create the slab. So here you do generate what is needed to be generated. So here is going to be slab function. So at that point you do it there. Now it is good, it's okay. And that is just what we need to do. Go to the level and see what you have created, which is okay, but landed here. So you can remove one of these, do the staircase, do it, go to level 1, and do the last one, and remove it, drag this, and break it. Okay, let's drag it here, and drag it. At the same time you drag this too, you finish it. What was the excuse? Good. So that is just to create the Pent floor. Now let us create the roof for that. Then you go to your, from there you create the roof from this particular Pent floor. So how do you do that? Click here and say, click similar. So select this one and say at level 4. At the level 4 now you begin to bring the whole things together. And how do you do that? To select this rectangle and you tell it to be 600. That's a straight up stuff. So you do it here and bring it here. Now Ctrl Z, you do it, you say you click on 600 and take it to the good. Let's see that. Finish it. So then you go to elevation, you see there. So here you select and change this to angle 45 degrees because it must follow the same pattern of angle. So as you have done this, something is there that you need to work on. So that is from side view. From the side view, something is that it does not matter this one again. What we want to do is that the alignment of this roof to this particular one. So how do you do that? It's that you use two methods, by moving or by align. So I will prefer moving method, which is going to give me accurate of what I need to. I hold this, select this and say move. Moving method will be take it from each edge and then land it at this edge. Perfect. So now as it is, you need to do what? Edit this one. So edit this in such a way that open on the level 3. So you look at from here to here, what is it giving you? Which dimension is this giving you? Because you must not go beyond your normal, you mustn't go beyond your normal if of the roof, no matter how. So from there now you change it to 600. Maybe that side will be affected. So good, you finish it. So no attachment. Then now you go to your site plan to go and fill the whole things in order. So you are seeing this double group in place. That does not matter. All you need is that just click on join here and join them together. So they become single group to be precise. So anytime you hide this, they will be hidden. So Ctrl Z. So you hide everything under one category. Select and hide category. So they will all go, and you have that autonomy of view to yourself. Can you see? So that is the Pent floor. Anywhere you go, create a temporary 3D. See what you are talking about. So this is how you create a Pent floor on the Revit. So I'm doing everything possible for every one of us to understand what we have done. This is the way the staircase look like. You enter halfway and get it turn halfway that way too. So the next one, we are going to work on the front side and every other thing. So for now, this is where we stop for this project. So pray God give us strength and power to continue to do it. So please subscribe,